Good, very early morning JR Garage. It is currently 6 a.m. in Las Vegas, Nevada, and we got part 2 of the Budget Boxster road trip going down today. I'm picking up Christian in just a second. He spent the night over at the Aria, and I'm here at Resorts World, and I actually won some money gambling, so that's new. Doubled my money. So we're just winning on all fronts. We got the cheap Porsche holding up great. I'm making money in the casino. I cannot complain. So here she is, still looking dirty, still in need of a wash for sure. In the first video, picking it up as a non-running car from Copart with unknown mileage. We got a steal on it, 2,400 bucks plus fees, because nobody wanted to bid on it with all the unknowns. But of course, what they saw as red flags, I saw as green flags, so I bought it. And as you saw last video, I drove it from San Jose, California, all the way down here to Vegas, almost 500 miles on the first leg. And then today we have 4.5 hours to go until we're home in Arizona, where we can finally wash this thing, go through those service records, a bunch to do in this video. But let's head over to Aria, get Christian's first impression on our beautiful Budget Boxster round 2. All right, second cold start ever with this car. Here we go. Let's see if it still makes that little bit of clanking noise for like half a second. All right, fire in the hole. 3, 2, 1. I mean, yeah, for like a split second, then it goes away. Huh, weird. Still don't know what that is. All right, let's get it. You know what? I still haven't tested out the convertible top, so let's try that. You know, that's an expensive component, so let's make sure it works. Oh yeah, the e-brake has to be up. Kind of weird. Okay. All right. Yeah. Okay. It's working. Come on, come on. Nice. Uh-oh. No. No, it still says it's open. Oh, come on. Dang it. Looks like it's closed. It is. Come on. Now it's stuck. No, 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 no. I knew I shouldn't have touched this until we got back. I'm not going 4.5 hours with the top down. Oh, shoot. All right, here we are at the Aria. Christian says right out front valet. Let's see what he thinks of the new ride. I think he's gonna like it. He's gonna love the wheels. He really likes his BBS 2-piece wheels. There he is. Oh shoot, he's got luggage and clothes. How are we supposed to fit that in the car? There he is. Ta-da!
Well, you got any trunk or front space left?
Let's see. Good thing this thing has a front trunk and a rear trunk. Here we go. How economical.
Man, this thing's sweet.
Yes, sir. Okay, 1 hour into the drive, and this top thing is really becoming an issue. We can't even put up the windows fully because it thinks the top is still up and still in the process of going down. So, this sucks. It's literally so noisy, it's so hot, already 100 degrees, and the sun is just beating down on us. Okay guys, I guess I got a little distracted with the top being stuck that I didn't realize we're about out of gas, and now we got a huge hill to go up, and we're still many miles out from a gas station.
In the middle of the desert.
Yeah, in the middle of the desert. Come on, keep going up the hill. All right, you can do it. We'll see if we make it. This is sketchy. All right, into neutral, down the hill we go. Hypermiling, here we come. We need to get all the way to those mountains. I can see the city a little bit on that far side.
1 pair of pants later.
Bless up, we made it, boys. Okay, now time to calculate what fuel economy we got on the second leg. Definitely a lot worse. I was cruising faster, AC on, bunch of mountains and city driving in Vegas, so I'm guessing we're not gonna hit that 30 again, but hopefully we'll break 25. 396.3 divided by 14.605. Not bad, 27.13. Wasn't even trying, and 27 miles to gallon on Porsche, not bad. Oh, let's go, boys. I could not take the top being down any longer, so I just grabbed under the trunk lid and I forced it up, and then while holding it up with pressure, I hit the button and it started to go. So here we go. Yes! And boom, lights out. Hit this, and the windows go up. Yes! Victory! I was seriously thinking we'd have to drive the remaining 3.5 hours with the top down. It was so loud, sunburnt from the 100-degree Arizona sun. Oh, bless up. Turn on some AC, and now we're cruising. All right, I'm sitting shotgun. I'm gonna go through those maintenance records and documents, see what else we can find about this car, and then Christian's gonna drive, and we'll be home in no time. We'll get this thing cleaned up. All right, so add that to the list of things that doesn't work. The top. Hopefully it's a simple fix. I'm sure it just hasn't been used in a while. Maybe it needs to be greased up or something got stuck. I don't know. Look who has the top up.
Oh, the top's up.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. So yeah, just, I grabbed right here, I lifted it up a little bit, and then the back popped, and then I grabbed this, and then I held it up, and then clicked the button at the same time.
Sweet, well done.
So, not putting that down again until it's at the repair shop. Okay, about an hour and a half later, got another update for you guys. Christian conveniently missed the turn to Phoenix, so now we're headed toward Flagstaff, and that put us behind, I don't know, 45 minutes or something like that. But instead, at least we'll be going through beautiful Prescott, Sedona area, so it'll be a lot more scenic of a drive. And this now buys me more time to flip through all of the service records and booklets that came in this car, hidden behind here in the quote-unquote glove box, because there is no glove box. So I literally have a mountain of service documents here. I'm gonna go through them. I've already found a lot of good ones, but I don't want to show the previous owner's name or anything, so I gotta be careful here. But anyway, point of the update is I came across this, and I was like, oh, it's like a warranty card from Porsche or something. So I unfold it, and it reveals this. Guys, this is the original Porsche window sticker from 1999. I had a feeling this would be somewhere in the car. The fact that the rest of the car is so original, only 2 owners, like I had a feeling, I had a gut feeling in here, and finally I came across it, folded up in the service records. Check this out. 1999 Porsche Boxster. We're for sure gonna like laminate this right away. But here we go, the original price, $41,000 for the base Porsche in 1999. That's actually the only one they offered. Remember, the S came out in 2000, I believe. So we have Arena Red Metallic. Finally, we were wondering what red this was. I just simply said it's a really pretty red. I don't know what it's called. You remember, you saw an Arena Red GT3 the other day.
In Scottsdale, that was pretty sweet.
Yeah, it's a beautiful color. When I Googled it, a bunch of 993 pictures came up, but it's pretty rare on a Boxster because it was $800. I mean, like, that's a lot of money for a paint color. So no wonder people went with the silver, the blacks, the whites, the base free colors. Then of course, graphite gray top with partial leather. So this isn't leather, which is, you know, typical. To get full interior leather on a Boxster is pretty rare. Check this out, sport package, $2,100. I didn't know there was a sport package. What, do you guys know what that includes? Is it suspension? Is it brakes? Is it appearance? That was $2,100, so nice to have it. And then we got the power seat package, $1,500 for full power seats, memory, all that stuff. CD shelf, hi-fi speakers. I figured it had the upgraded sound system with all these speakers. It's got a bunch of them around, so that's nice. And a few other options, whatever, cruise control. But of course, now we get to the good stuff, the exclusive options, $6,783. So this is exactly what I thought this car was optioned with. The special goodies that aren't standard options. What I guess exclusive is Porsche's like
tailor-made or MSO or...
Boom, there are the wheels, the 18-inch Sport Design Rad wheels they call them. I knew this was going to be on here. These suckers are worth so much money. Everybody wants them because they're such a rare option, and they were probably a small fortune, you know, when you were optioning this car. And then we have oval exhaust pipe in the middle, which I think is polished, and normally it's like just raw metal, I think. Graphite gray floor mats with the Porsche embroidering, maybe that's something special. The Porsche embroidered headrest, that's a nice option. And then we got the metal door sill insignia. Check this out. Perfect timing, coming up to a stop sign. This kick plate is in aluminum and says Boxster on it, so that's super cool. The aluminum instrument dials, I figured these were a different color. And then the aluminum leather shifter and the brake handle. So this is a different shifter, really nice looking, different design. And then this Porsche branded e-brake handle is nice as well, so it really complements the interior. So out the door, everything included, $53,193. And you might be saying, oh, it's not that much for a Porsche. Well, that's in 1999 money, and given that inflation is like 10% every single day,
one of the things I'm proudest of.
Here you go. In today's money, that is equal to $93,325, about what a medium optioned Boxster would be today. So it's right on the money with inflation. 1926 MPG, I guess I was slightly off. I said 1724, but still, I beat this by a mile, getting almost 31 miles to the gallon on my way here.
Thank you to the previous owner for keeping this original window sticker. That made looking up the options so much easier.
Hey, would you look at that, free car wash in the desert of Arizona? What is this? Well, that'll take off the first little millimeter of dirt, and then we'll take care of the rest when we're back at the garage. And just like that, we back, baby. We got the 6 blow. The cartel messed it up, but we fixed it up and she's back in business, at least relatively so. It's definitely still hurt and damaged, but good enough. All right, Christian moved that out of the way so that we could get to the Mercy back there. Aston Martin's gonna have to move as well, so we are getting 2 cold V12 startups. Let's see if she starts. There we go. Yeah, baby. I love uncovering this car to reveal the incredible pearl yellow paint. And now I'm taking it over to Corsa because somebody wants a PPI done, maybe interested in making an offer on the car. So, you know, we'll happily get it inspected so that he knows everything about the car and, you know, has an expert look at it, make sure there's no big issues. I don't see anything coming up, but of course, PPIs are always good to do before you buy a car. So it's a great excuse for me to get driving the car again. It's been a little while, so let's get a cold start and get on the road. Oh yeah, here we go. This thing is like a time capsule. 2003 and only has 9,000 miles with the original 6-speed manual. All right, hit that button, light goes out, immobilizer check, fire in the hole. 3, 2, 1. There she is, coming to life. Pretty sure the AC works in this car. I'll need that because it's 105 out. All right, let's hit the road. Oh, come on, this thing is a beauty. I've missed this car. Something about the pearl paints on Lamborghinis. All right, you can't even see it. The sun is literally like overpowering it. Gorgeous, gorgeous color, pristine condition. Oh man, look at that. The OG wheels, Speedline wheels. So sick. Okay, now let's hit the road.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then
Bam, just like that, we made it. Shut her off. Ooh, not bad. The AC blows super cold in this car, so it actually makes driving in 105 bearable. The amount of heads this thing turns is crazy. Nothing will ever beat a Murcielago like this. Holy moly. And it's not even perfectly clean, guys. It looks like it, but it has been months since we last washed it. It's actually very dusty and dirty. Always fun to drive this, but I don't know, we don't need 2 Murcielagos. So I said both were for sale, and one guy may want to buy this, so we'll see. Okay, enough of the Murcielago content. I know why you guys clicked on this video, and that's to see the budget Boxster. So let's get back to work on this thing. We finally got it back to the garage. Time to clean this thing up once and for all, and a good cleaning starts with an engine bay cleaning. You guys know the rules. Actually, I just want to hit this first because it's very difficult to access, and I'm going to be spraying a bunch of junk in there, and it's going to be getting all over the paint, so you might as well do that first so the paint stays dirty. Okay, I think this goes like that. That goes like this. These things, you unplug these, and then you take this little plastic piece off of there, and then you twist all these, and I think, is that it? Oh, this is a separate piece. Oh, the storage compartment, yeah. Okay, couple pieces to go. Bam, there she is, engine cover. Okay, 1 to go. Yes! Oh, shoot. Okay, A, what's making that noise, and B, I see mouse droppings. Oh, geez. You see, and you didn't want to clean this. This is the mouse's home. We gotta evict them now. Okay, problem, guys. So I knew about this little rat's nest in here. Gotta take that out, evict them. But Christian was digging out, see this little piece? It's falling apart, it had a huge hole in it. It's either like insulation or heat shielding or something. But while he was in there, uh-oh, can you guys see that? This line got chewed through, and look, they're starting to go through that part of it already. What is this?
Oh, this goes to here. This is our, what is this?
Is that our fan to get the temperature off the...
You know, this is kind of like intake air temperature, right?
Oh, shoot. They chewed it straight through. Guys, can you see that? This is supposed to connect to that. See, and you didn't want to clean the engine bay, okay? Well, you're welcome. We wouldn't have seen this.
Check engine light. How do you not have a check engine light?
I know, it ran perfectly fine. Okay, well, I'm surely gonna clean this, and then we're gonna leave all the covers off, order the parts, and get those replaced in no time, but... And we got another one. That makes number 2 chewed through.
It's like it was attempted to be repaired with electrical tape at one point, but it feels like a vacuum line.
Unreal how it runs so well.
Oh yeah, off the fuel pressure regulator or dampener.
Jeez, stupid mice.
Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Oh yeah. Take you like a pill.
Okay, about an hour later, we have one clean engine bay. Golly, what a transformation. That before and after is wild. I can't believe these parts cleaned up so nicely. They're like bright silver now. Before they were just caked in black soot, looking nasty. The intakes were all brown and dirty. Boom, these are easy because they're black plastic. I love these black plastics. They clean up really good with the scrubbing bubbles. So basically we just washed off all the loose dirt. Then we went in with some gunk degreaser because it was really nasty and oily up on like the heads and stuff. And now they're nice and shiny, like I said. And then for a final coat, we went in with scrubbing bubbles. Nice for leaving that clean showroom new look. Crazy, it's got 116,000 miles, but now it looks like that. So anyway, Christian's gonna order those couple parts that the mice had for dinner, and then it should be running perfectly. I mean, I thought it was already running 100%, but apparently it has a vacuum leak and a couple other things from these mice. But aside from that, the rest of the wiring looks good. So luckily not too much damage was done, but still no fun messing with that stuff. Christian tackled the interior. Wow, what a transformation. Check it out, guys. This was pretty filthy before. Sitting for 7 months. There's so many spider webs and just dirt collecting all around here, the shift knob and here. Wow, this looks really, really nice. Good job, Christian. Steering wheel, whew. Door panels, nice. Okay, ready to wash it? We're exhausted. It's like 106 degrees. Sorry, that's why we're getting shirtless Jared Garage right now, because I am just burning up. But I cannot wait to see how these wheels clean up. This is the big money on the car. These are worth over 2,000 bucks for this wheel and tire setup. So we might sell them, we might keep them. I don't know. Gosh, they look so good. Christian, your vote, keep them, sell them?
Listed both ways, with the wheels, without the wheels. Two different prices.
Okay, yeah, if we go to sell it and somebody wants to pay us a stupid amount of money with the wheels, all right, I guess we'll take it.
Do me in the worst way. Don't let me sleep. Never say you're sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Oh yeah. Take you like a pill. Get my fill.
I can never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right.